Let us see how to do design and SEO settings. You can enter the following details for your website. Contact number. Website email ID. This will be displayed here. You can add website WhatsApp number. This will be displayed here. You can add address for invoice tickets. You can add your social media links. This will be displayed here. Additionally, you can include Google Analytics script, Google Maps script for the contact page, Facebook Meta Pixel Code Google AdSense script, live chat script. You can add About Us and Contact Us information to your website. For SEO settings, please select the services you want and add the following details. Page title, page description, page keywords, footer content. Here is an example of how you can add your footer. Add a banner image for both desktop and mobile views as a slider in the background, which will be displayed here. If you want the image to open a specific link or another image when clicked, please provide the following. Gallery image title tag, gallery image alt tag, add image link. You can choose whether the image link should open in the same tab or a new tab. Additionally, specify the ranking for the image to determine the display order. Thank you. We hope this information is helpful to you.